To create and verify a Bybit account, follow these steps. First, go to the Bybit website and click on the Sign Up button. You will be asked to provide your email address and create a password. Make sure to use a strong and unique password to secure your account. Next, you will receive a verification email from Bybit. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. This step is crucial to ensure the security of your account and to comply with regulatory requirements. After verifying your email address, you will be asked to provide additional information, including your name, date of birth, and address. This information is required to comply with Know Your Customer and anti-money laundering regulations. Make sure to provide accurate and truthful information to avoid any issues with your account. Once you have provided the required information, you will be asked to upload identification documents, such as a passport or driver's license. This step is necessary to verify your identity and to ensure that your account is secure. After uploading your identification documents, your account will be reviewed and verified by Bybit. This process typically takes a few hours, but it can take longer in some cases. Once your account is verified, you will receive an email notification and you will be able to start trading on the platform. To ensure the security of your account, make sure to enable two-factor authentication and to use a strong and unique password. It is also important to keep your account information up to date and to monitor your account activity regularly. In conclusion, creating and verifying a Bybit account is a straightforward process that requires providing some basic information and uploading identification documents. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions to secure your account, you can start trading on the Bybit platform and take advantage of its features and benefits. Remember to always follow best practices and to stay informed about the latest developments and updates on the platform.